Everybody, it's Miss Nadia and Miss Jess. We want to show you how we make Anzac Biscuit, and don't forget to ask your mommy and daddy to help. First, we have to preheat the oven on 160. It's 160.
All you're going to need is some bicarb soda, some coconut, plain flour, golden syrup, unsalted butter, rolled oats, and some sugar.
First, we have to put 1 cup of oats. I have to put 1 cup of plain flour. And add it here. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And it's up to you how you like it sweet. All the ingredients together while the butter is melted. Now we put 125 gram unsalted butter. We melt it. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. 1. And 2. Add 2 tablespoons of boiling water in a small bowl. 1, 2, and then we use half teaspoon of bicarb soda, half teaspoon, and mix it together properly. When it's golden brown color, we're gonna turn the stove off. It's ready. So we're gonna add it on the dry ingredient. Be careful, it's hot. So don't let the kids to touch this part. We're gonna mix it together. It's a bit hot, be careful. If you can touch it with your hands like that, you can use a spoon, maybe easier.
So now we're going to spray the pan with oil so it doesn't get stuck.
We're going to mold that mixture to like this shape and put it on the tray like this. 1 more. This mixture make 12 Anzac biscuits. And now we're gonna put the biscuits in the oven. 15 minutes. Now my Anzac biscuit is finished. Now it's ready to enjoy.